Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your eHarmony's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your eHarmony's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in eHarmony.com and make a search. Make sure that you're logged into your account and the home page of eHarmony will appear on the screen. Now, to log out of your eHarmony's account, tap on your profile icon from the home page and click on Log Out option. It will log you out of your eHarmony's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your eHarmony's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.